Hello everybody, welcome to Volleyball Shoyan channel. Let's start. Bomb techniques. Number 1. Choose the best guard. Medium guard and bottom guard. Number 2. The legs should be open as shoulder width. Your right foot should be ahead of your left foot. When you want to dig, the foot next to the line should be ahead of the other foot. Number 3. Put the hand that is more comfortable on the other hand. Then put the thumb of the bottom hand on the other hand. You also have to put the thumb of top hand next to the other thumb to look your hand correctly. Shoulders closer, then the forearm come closer. Number 5. The place where the ball is received. Number 6. Hands should be separated from the chest. Number 7. In bump position, the pelvis should bend, not waist. Number 8. Legs position. Common mistakes. 1. Open the hands quickly after doing bump. 2. Bend the elbow after doing bump. 3. Bend the elbow before doing bump. 4. Raising your hands too much. 5. Waiting and not be fast. 6. Getting out of the correct position and stand up after doing bow. 7. Looking your hands and not pay attention to the ball. 8. Raise one of your legs. 9. Hands not separated from the chest. 10. The hands are not balanced. 11. Pulling the hands back from under the ball.